In this video, I will show you how to turn on aim assist in Fortnite on your PS5. These settings will help you get a better aiming strength while playing Fortnite on your PS5. And to get aim assist in PS5 Fortnite, what you want to do is to press on the options button at the top of your controller to open up the Fortnite menu, and then you just want to scroll downwards. So just navigate downwards until you get to the settings icon at the bottom over here. Go ahead and select it, and then click on X to enter the settings. Now you just want to navigate through the settings using the L or R button at the top over here. So just press until you get to the controller settings, which is over here. Now you just want to scroll downwards, and under sensitivity you're going to see the use advanced option menu over here. So what you want to do is to go ahead and select this option, and then you want to scroll down to where we have the use advanced options. Select that, and then just make sure it is turned on by moving over to the right, then click on confirm to turn on use advanced options. Now at this point you want to just scroll down until you get to the advanced sensitivity option. Now over here we have the advanced sensitivity option, and in order for you to get and turn on aim assist in Fortnite on your PS5, you want to make sure that both the precision aim assist strength and the tracking aim assist strength is turned to 100%. So you just want to go ahead and push it to 100% if it is not at 100%, and then you also want to come over to the precision aim assist over here and also push it to 100%. Once you're done, you want to go ahead and click on the triangle to save your changes, just like so. And now you have successfully turned on aim assist in Fortnite on your PS5. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.